Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for data analysis in R. In this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of ChatGPT, a natural language processing tool, to automate your data analysis tasks in R. Say goodbye to tedious coding and hello to instant results. Data analysis is a crucial step in transforming raw data into meaningful insights. R, being a powerful programming language for data analysis, can sometimes be challenging for beginners. This is where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. ChatGPT is a machine learning program that can create or code from simple prompts in plain English. It understands your intent, context, and generates accurate R code for your data analysis tasks. Now let's dive into how to use ChatGPT for data analysis in R. Step 1. Sign up for a free account. Step 2. Write your prompt. Write a prompt that describes the data analysis task you want to perform in plain English. Be specific and provide context or examples to help ChatGPT understand your request better. Step 3. Generate R code. Press the Generate button or hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Watch as ChatGPT instantly generates R code that matches your prompt. Step 4. Copy and paste into RStudio or a console. Copy the produced code and paste it into your RStudio or a console. Run the code to see the magic happen. Step 5. Troubleshooting with ChatGPT. If the generated code doesn't work or produces an error, don't worry. You can use ChatGPT to troubleshoot the problem. Ask questions or request explanations to understand and resolve the issue. Section 3. Examples of prompts for data analysis in R. Now, let's explore some examples of prompts you can use with ChatGPT for everyday data analysis tasks in R. Example 1. Prompt: import a CSV file called data.csv into a data frame called df. Example 2. Prompt: summarize the variables in the data frame df. Example 3. Prompt: plot a histogram of the variable age in the data frame df. Example 4. Prompt: filter the rows in the data frame df where the variable gender is equal to female. Example 5. Prompt: perform a t-test to compare the mean of the variable height between the groups male and female in the data frame df. Section 4. How to troubleshoot errors and problems with ChatGPT. Mistakes happen, and ChatGPT might generate code that doesn't work as expected. But no worries, we've got you covered. If you encounter an error or problem, ask ChatGPT questions like: why did you generate this code? What does this code do? How can I fix this error? What are the alternatives to this code? How can I improve this code? ChatGPT will provide explanations and help you troubleshoot until you get the desired result. Section 5. A case study: analyzing the cars data set in R with ChatGPT. Let's put ChatGPT to the test by analyzing the cars data set in R. Conclusion: congratulations! You've learned how to use ChatGPT for data analysis in R. With ChatGPT's natural language processing, you can automate various data analysis tasks effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Happy coding with ChatGPT in R!